So today I have another unboxing portion or episode uh, to be discussed and shared it to you. So let's open this thing so that we will know what is this all about. So give me a minute to open this. We will be right back. So it's ready now and it is open. So by the way, this is an angle grinder, mini angle grinder. So let us take a look inside what is on the package so that we will see what is the mysterious and what is this magical thing. Oh, so they have included a 2-disc wheel and wheel guard and tools, open range. By the way, I have already an angle grinder, but this one is different from the other one because this is small. As you see, later on we will try to compare the other one on its sizes, but for now let us expect more what is on this thing. As you see, this is a different kind. In here there is a wheel lock guard that you can insert this grinder under and the middle and the washer on the top. This is removable, but I don't want to demonstrate anymore in order to make the film fast. So it is included also a European type of plugs. No worries because there is an adapter that you can insert this into 3 pins, and it is also an on variable speed configuration, and it says here 220 volts on 360 watts, and it will spin on 1001 14,000 RPM, 3,000 to RPM. Maybe I think 14,000 without any load. But if you use this with the grinding wheel and you have to try in the work, maybe it will reduce to 14,000, maybe in the middle or something. And it is on brush type. So I am happy with my purchase, and I don't have any regret. That thing is so on the what is this, and the premium quality. I found this one in AliExpress, so this is useful to me. And if you want to have one, check it out in the AliExpress. So let us compare to the other my angle grinder. What is the difference between the two? So here you see my Stanley, the big one. Is, as you see, if I compare this, it's different size and smaller than this body. And if you compare the disc, it's a huge difference because this is 75 mm in diameter all the way across this hole, and this one is 115 on diameter. The only thing also, the good news is that beside that you can use this one as a cutting tools, you can use also this as a sculpting tools or carving tools. And this hole, there is a, additional on this case, plastic case. You see, there is a collet. This collet will be inserted on this hole, and you can tight it and insert some different types of profile or beads that you can reshape or carving woods or any material that you do in project like toys or in any form of shape. You can use this. The only thing you need is the bead in any profile like round or triangles or square and cylindrical or along in any type of beads that used for carving. Yes. I'm sorry for my English, very Bisaya accent, and I don't know if I make it correct while constructing my sentence, but I need to speak sometimes on this way because I want to develop my communication skills because I want to go in other planet. So this is the thing, small angle grinder, very nice, and I like it so much because it's very handy and small. Look at in my hand, and if I grab this, it's so big. But this is for heavy duty. This is for my backup for any light duty and any means that I want to do in the future. So yes, from AliExpress, Resba angle grinder, small mini angle grinder. Thumbs up. Thank you. And I would like to advise that any children don't play with this 18 below because it's very dangerous. So ask for any assistance for adults, but I'd advise that this is not intended for children. It will harm you. It's very dangerous. It will lead you to death. So this is highly prohibited to minors. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will change my channel by next year, maybe 2 years after, because I don't have any subscriber. On my YouTube channel, I have only a lot of reviews. Only the content is only for tools and hand tools and DIY thing. So take care and good luck. Have a nice day, and always bear in mind safety first.